Main reasons why WhatsApp blocked your WhatsApp number is because your messages are not personalized enough and not relevant to the user. And so when that happens, the user who receives your messages will click on the block button that causes your WhatsApp account to be totally blocked. Hi, so today I'm going to share with you how to send personalized and relevant WhatsApp messages to your contacts so that your WhatsApp account remains active. So first, log into your WhatsApp contact account. Go to messaging tool. Use this feature called reword. Click on it, import and prepare a list of phrases that you'll be using to send to your users. In this case, I prepared a Christmas greetings to send to all my contacts. In this example, I'll be sending to my contact list a Christmas greeting. And I would like to have these greetings to be personalized, unique, at the same time relevant. So right now, we will prepare an Excel spreadsheet that looks like this. And on the top, I'll be creating this phrase called Christmas. And I'll be adding on 100 phrases that are Christmas greetings to my contact list. Once you have prepared the Excel, go back to WhatsApp contact, import from Excel, drag and drop the files into the box here and upload. Once it's successful, you will see that there's an addition reward list over here. If you would like, you can share it to everyone else that are using WhatsApp contact and they will all be able to use this list together with you. Click on it. Once it's available to everyone, you can see it over here at import from reword marketplace. So now you have two phrases for Christmas and for birthday. Once this is done, go to the group that you would like to send to. In this case, I'm sending to test group, and this is for testing purpose. Click on the WhatsApp icon here to send a WhatsApp message. Choose the number that you would like to use to send this message out. Make sure that it is showing the right group that you are sending. Schedule a date, and I'm going to schedule it to be on the 25th of Christmas. And I can set it exactly when the time strikes. I would like to greet the contact with their name so that it is personalized. So click on contact and click on the name and followed by the message that I would like to send to them. In this case, I'm going to send a Christmas message, which is a Christmas reward. And you can see that an example is being shown over here. So now what happened is at the back, WhatsApp contact will be using the list of phrases that we have entered into the Excel and send different text messages to different users. And in this way, when you personalize, when you send a unique message, and when you send a relevant message, you will reduce the possibility of being blocked. Finally, you can go to broadcast report to check out and make sure that your messages are being sent out and completed. You can also refer to your mobile phone in your WhatsApp. You'll be able to see all the messages that are being sent out as well.